children, now first class mathematics. So take out your textbook, children. Take out all of you. So page number 44. Open it, children. Page number 44. So in that page 2. So all of you opening. So very good, children. Take your pencil also, children. So are you observing, children, in this page 2, 5th chapter. So what is this spelling, children? B-E-F-O-R-E, before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. A-F-T-E-R, after. B-E-T-W-E-E-N, between. M-O-R-E, more. L-E-S-S, less. So before, after, between, more, less. So in previous classes too, we already learning this chapter, but I will explaining again. Revise it, children. So what is the before and after, between, more, less? It means what? So are you remember, children? So okay, let us revise now. Okay. So here L-O-O-K, look. 88, T-H-I-D-A, P-I-C-T-U-R-E, picture. O-F of A, T-R-A-I-N, train. B-E-L-O-W, below. Look at the picture of a train below. So are you observing, children? Which picture is this? Which picture is this, children? So are you know this picture? So are you seeing anywhere? Yes, are you remembering this? Train. So this is the train picture. So here you observe, children, in this train picture too. So here one engine is there and their back bogies. So their back bogies also having. So how many bogies are there in the train too? So in this picture too. So let us count. Okay, count with me, all of you, children. So okay, let us start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many bogies are there in this picture too? In this train too? 9 bogies and one engine is having. Yes? So here down they are giving some questions. N-O-W, no. A-N-S-W-R, answer. T-H-I-D-A, F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following. Now answer the following. So learn the spellings also, children. Okay. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-S, questions. O-R-A-L-L-Y, orally. So now answer the following questions orally. Okay. So I am asking question. You think answer, children? Okay. So let us start. First question we are seeing now. So first one. So observe here, children. H-O-W, how? M-A-N-Y, many. M-A-N-Y, many. B-O-G-I-E-S, bogies. B-O-G-I-E-S, bogies. D-O-E-S, does. T-H-I-D-A, T-R-A-I-N, train. H-A-V, have. So here What will asking here? How many bogies does the train have? So many bogies does the train have? So many. We are finding only. We are counting that before only. Yes. So how many bogies are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 bogies. So many bogies having? So 9. So they write 9. So are you understand, children? Are you remembering this? So second question, see all of you. Second one. WHAT what? ISC's THE the NUMBER number. So are you observe, children? The spellings also and letters also you observe. NUMBER number. OF of THE the BOGIE bogie. NEXT next. So you know, children, next one. NEXT next. TO2. THE the ENGINE engine. So what is the number of the bogie next to the engine? So which number of bogie next to the engine? So next to the engine means their engine after which bogie is there, that number only we are writing now. Okay. So where is the engine? So this is the engine. So engine after which bogie is there? Yes. First bogie. So which one? What is the number of the bogie? 1. So here write 1. So are you understand, children? So what is the number of the bogie next to the engine? 1. First number is the number of the bogie. So next to the engine. Okay. So third question. WHAT what? ISC's THE the NUMBER number. OF of THE the LAST last. BOGIE bogie. So what is the number of the last bogie? So which number is last here? Which bogie is last having here? So are you observing this picture, children? This is the last bogie? No, this is the first bogie only. So which one is the last? So this one is the last one. So which number is this here? 9th. 9th bogie is the last one. So here write 9. So what is this number, children? 9. So what is the number of the last bogie? 9 is the number of the last bogie. So fourth question. WHAT what? ISC's NUMBER number. What is number? OF of THE the BOGIE bogie. BETWEEN between. THE the BOGIES bogies. NUMBERED numbered. 4. What is this number, children? 4. A and D and 6. So here what is the number? The bogie between. So 4 and 6 between. So 4 and 6 between bogie. Between means middle. So middle number. Middle bogie is which number? Which bogie is middle? 4 and 6 bogies to middle bogies. Which one? 5th bogie. So what is that number? 5th one. So we are writing the 5. So are you understand, children, now? So what is the number of the bogie between the bogies numbered 4 and 6? 5. Okay. So next, fifth question. WHT what? IS is THE the NUMBER number. OF of THE the BOGIE bogie. BEFORE before. BEFORE before. THE the BOGIE bogie. NUMBERED numbered. So what is the number of the bogie before the bogie number 5? So bogie number 5 before number front one. So before number. So previous number only which one? 4. 4. So okay children, so remaining one we are learning the next class too. First of all we learning the spellings. So okay. So learn BEFORE before. BEFORE before. AFTER after. AFTER after. BETWEEN between. BETWEEN between. MORE more. MORE more. LESS less. LESS less. So before means before number. After means after number. Between means in middle number. So are you observing children? So are you understand? So once again read the spellings. BEFORE before. BEFORE before. AFTER after. AFTER after. BETWEEN between. BETWEEN between. MORE more. MORE more. LESS less. LESS less. PICTURE picture. PICTURE picture. TRAIN train. TRAIN train. BOGIES bogies. BOGIES bogies. NEXT next. NEXT next. NEXT next. LAST last. LAST last. So are you observing children? Learn the spellings. Okay children, in next class 2. So in next problems we are explaining now. Okay children. So practice it. Learn the spellings. So okay.